Welcome back to a brand new episode of Automation, where we talk about smart home products and services and tips and tricks in this very special show on the channel. And today we have the Yeelight crossover Razer LED Smart Lamp D2. And as you can already see, since it has the Razer branding right over there, this Yeelight tabletop lamp actually supports the Razer Chroma RGB protocol. So I'm particularly excited to find out how this works because I have a full suite of Razer products on my gaming table next to this table, which we're going to show you later. But for now, let's just quickly check out what's inside the box of the LED Smart Lamp D2. Alright, before we get into the box, let me just read out some of the highlight features of the LED Smart Lamp D2. So on the back here, it says it has multiple colors, flowing light, it is dimmable, and you can do a personalized schedule, adjustable color temperature, touch interaction, cozy nightlight, and a smart timer. So these are the 8 highlight features of this really nice smart lamp. And most importantly, this smart lamp supports a list of smart home ecosystem, including Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa, Samsung SmartThings, Apple HomeKit, and Xiaomi's Mijia. All right, let's get into the box right now. All right, we're just gonna cut open this tape on the top, open the box. All right, so we do see a couple of things here. So the packaging list, what's inside the box, and the instructions for powering on. So make sure you got to download the Yeelight app to set it all up, right? So let's just open the box right now. And we have the manual on top, another manual. This is the RGB access guide, and looks like we have some cables inside this box here. Yep, we have. All right, we have a USB-A to C cable here. I'm assuming that this lamp is powered by a USB-C cable, all right? So we're just gonna take out the lamp right now. All right, so here we go. This is how big the smart lamp is. This is really, really nice here. It's in white color, of course. It shines in RGB, and you see the Yeelight and Razer branding on the front here. And yes, this smart lamp is powered by a single USB-C port. That is really great to know. And let's check out what's inside. Oh, that's pretty much about it. So we basically get the Yeelight Smart Lamp D2 and manuals and the USB-C cable, and that's pretty much it. So let's find out how it works, shall we? To start off, we're going to power up this lamp using a power bank right here before we head on over to our gaming table to show you how well it works with Razer's Chroma RGB. Now, the Smart Lamp D2 only requires 5 watts of power, which means you can simply just connect the USB cable into any of your computer's USB port, and that's actually a really great thing. Now, let's power it up right now. There is a power button on the front here. Let's just tap it. And there you go. It's really, really bright, as you can see. Now, there's 2 ways to control the lamp before we actually move on to the smartphone app. So on the left side, if you slide like this is where you can change the color temperature of the lamp, which is really, really super cool here. And if you swipe on the right side here, this is to decrease and increase the brightness of the lamp. And that's actually a pretty cool and intuitive control that you can do right here. I'm really, really liking this really sensitive control here. And next, let's pair this lamp with the Yeelight app. Okay, so we are in the Yeelight app right now, and we are just going to tap on this plus button and add a device. And automatically there will be a new device right here. So it is being identified as a Yeelight bedside lamp 2. Okay, so let's tap on it, and we're just going to connect to our Wi-Fi network here. Let's give it a while. Okay, and we are done, just like this. So there's no flashing or whatever, which is really, really fast. So I'm just gonna call this, let's just call it Razer, shall we? Because it's really easier to just call it that way. Okay, so let's just press the next tab, done. And let's go to the Razer selection here inside the app. So these are the features that you can do within the Yeelight app. So there are a few presets like we have seen before on other Yeelight smart lighting that we have seen before. So let's head on over to this recommend, and we can just tap on sunrise. This is how sunrise looks like. Sunset, movie. So yeah, movie will turn this into purple. That's really cool. So yep, this is an RGB lighting, and we can go into this white color and set the color temperature to whatever that you want. Head on over to color. So you can choose the color from this really nice palette here. And as we go to flow mode, this is where you can set the colors to keep keep rotating and keep randomizing what kind of colors that you want. So it's actually pretty cool on what you can do with this smart lamp right here, right? So of course you can do some other things such as saving the current state into a preset that you want to, and there are some other features right over here that you can do, such as just go to a single color, blue color, yellow color, set a timer if you want to, like how long do you want it to be turned on, and you can even do things like go into this color picker, which is something new. So probably I can just shoot this table, for instance, all right? So yep, we're just gonna tap on it and just gonna tap on apply, done. And if I point over to, let's say, to the TV here, red color, and press apply, and yeah, there you go, it actually goes to red color. This is actually a really cool feature that I like, so I can actually pick my colors by using my phone's camera to scan whatever things that I want. So this is super cool. Oh, there's one super cool feature that I would like to show you guys, and it is the gesture on off. So let me just turn on this thing here, and we're just gonna knock the lamp twice. It turns off, knock 2 times again, and it turns on. So this is a really cool way of turning on the lamp instead of just pressing this button on the front. Alright, so we have managed to got the Smart Lamp D2 connected with Razer Synapse right over here, and before that you will need to download a plugin called the Yeelight Chroma connector over from Razer's Chroma Workshop website. So once on this website right over here, just simply scroll over to the Yeelight section here and click on it. So once you're on this page, remember to just click on the download Yeelight Chroma connector link and install the app just like you would just like any applications on your computer, right? So once you're done, simply launch the app and it will immediately detect the lamp. No further extra pairing required. This is just it. So if you have multiple Yeelight lamps, it will show up right over here, which is actually pretty straightforward. And once you have that done, it will show up right over here on the connected devices section of the Razer Synapse app. So when you click on the Yeelight section here, you can of course apply some effects, and of course these are some of the very standard lighting effects that Razer has on its Synapse app. So you can also go over to advanced effects, go over to the Chroma Studio here and customize the RGB lighting to whatever way that you want it. But of course, the most simplest way to show how it works is to just simply do a quick effects here, and I'm just going to apply to all other Chroma enabled device. And as you can see right over here, the colors of my keyboard and mouse and the lamp is circulating at the same color, and this is super cool on what you can do with it. Alright, so the benefit of having this smart lamp right over here and synchronized with Razer Chroma RGB is that you really get into the game when you have your game synchronized with Razer's Chroma RGB lighting, and I think that is a really cool feature to have when you have this Yeelight Smart Lamp on your table. The Yeelight Smart LED Lamp D2 can be purchased at Good Deals by KLGG for 189 ringgit. So do head on to the link down below to purchase one if you're interested, and remember to apply the voucher code as well to get a good price on this lamp if you're interested in getting one. So that's all for my review on the Yeelight Smart LED Lamp D2. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and be sure to stay subscribed to the channel for more automation episodes coming right up, and I'll see you in the next episode of Automation.